any website to advertise on by Google My Business. In Google My Business, how to engage the audience to using social media. First of all, select your particular Google My Business application. So what are the posts you've done? So this will be post is done. Copy. Now click for share the post. First you can go for Facebook. Any image will appear? No. Close. Once again, share. Now, no image will be appear. Simple technique. I'll once again refresh. Share my post on Facebook. So still only showing for things. So select here using hashtag. Select your page. Option. Click for share. Now, any comment to Facebook, people coming to in your particular page. How to show the users. How to show the users. Select it. Then the time image is not showing. Now in posting time, image will be appear. Now click this. They're going to wear in my Google My Business option. Where Google My. When you click here, learn more. The final destination is the my website traffic. My final destination is the my website traffic. See this. Is it clear? This is a very important. It's clear. Anyone to share your tweet for your Twitter, everything will be here. Just do the tweets. So in this, I'm changing for my profile. Everything will be very important. And if you share anywhere, copy, select your notepad, paste here. Copy the keyword. Select linkedin.com. So you can share anywhere. So only they're showing for Facebook and Twitter. You share LinkedIn, select it. This your mapping. After link will be done, remove it. Select your hashtag. Post. So when I click here, they're going to where? Come into my map. Come into my map. Click for here. Final destination is the. So they are engaged my business posting. Then will shading for my website traffic. So this will be two functions will be done by every social networks. So clear. This will be very important and particular option called LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere we can use. Is it clear? So this is called engage your postings on social media to increase the website traffic and increase your particular audience.